Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you a little unboxing, a little swatch and review of the new pink Gellac collection called Festival Summer. This collection contains beautiful shades, like 5 gorgeous, like bright, kind of neon, in your face gel polishes which are perfect for spring and summer. Unfortunately, because of all of the coronavirus stuff going on in the world, I don't think there will be much like festivals that a lot of us can go to, but of course you can just have a little like festival party in your own home, put on some music, like paint your nails with these fabulous colors and you're good to go. But yeah, here you can see the 5 colors already. There's a beautiful yellow. There are 3 different pink tones. One is a little bit of like a pinky coral tone, and there's this beautiful neon green as well. You guys know, if you have been following me for a longer period of time, that usually I'm not a big fan of green tones, but neon greens are definitely starting to grow on me. But first, if you're new and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I really appreciate if you would like to do that. Of course, hit that like button as well if you want me to do more videos like this. But let's continue with this first beautiful gel polish. This one is $2.89. It is called Breeze Yellow and it's just a beautiful sunny yellow. I really love it. And here you can see I actually had to remove, or kind of accidentally removed, the little like festive plastic wrapper that was on the cap for a little bit of extra oomph to this entire collection. Like, it wasn't solid stuck to the cap, so make sure that if you are going to get this collection yourself, make sure to like softly unscrew the cap of the bottle, because otherwise you will be pulling them off, maybe even damaging them. Of course you can just take them off if you feel like it's a little bit of a hassle to just have them on there, but that was just something that I really noticed, and I had it for like almost all of the bottles, so I actually just unscrewed them all before I went on with swatching these colors. But back to this yellow tone, as you could see, it was almost perfectly opaque with just one coat, which is pretty fabulous for a yellow tone, because usually those are quite hard to get opaque quickly, even for gel polishes. So yeah, I'm pretty much impressed with this first color already, and like, you know, I really love neon and bright and just really fun colors, especially like this time now the whole world is going crazy and stuff like that. I think it's important to focus on positive things as well, and fun colors on your nails are always a positive thing to me. But yeah, let's just continue with the second color. This one is $2.90 Sun Blaze Orange. In my opinion, it's more of like a pink with a little bit of like a hint of coral in there. It's kind of like a muted pink coral, if you know what I mean. This one is quite hard for me to describe, because even though I was swatching it and even re-watching my footage, now I'm editing this video, I felt like it was more of like a pink than an orange. So yeah, I don't know if the name really suits this color, but if you look at it closely, and definitely when you compare it to the other 2 pink colors in this collection, it's a little bit corally, but not that much. But once again, it is really nicely opaque. It is almost completely opaque in the first coat, but I would always recommend applying a second coat to your natural nails to make it completely flawless and just gorgeous. It is really a super cute color, but it's just kind of like a strange name in my opinion. Then the next one is $2.91 Techno Pink. This is definitely one of my favorites from this collection, but I have to be honest, all of the colors from this collection are pretty much my favorite colors in the whole world, because they're just bright and fun, and I just love them so much. Like, I can't say anything negative about this collection, because I feel like this is my personality in like 5 colors, and it's just really fun and cute collection. If you are like me and you like bright colors, this is your collection. Just go for it, just get them. They're 15 euros a bottle. I think there's like 15 milliliters in here as well, and you have to cure each coat for 60 seconds, by the way. Also, for the top coat that I'm using for these swatches, which is the Ultra Shine one, it is a no wipe top coat and I pretty much love it. But yeah, this was Techno Pink already, just a beautiful neon pink, kind of Barbie-ish. I love it. it's gorgeous, fabulous. Nothing bad to say about this one as well, and it is again very much opaque. The next one is 292 Punch Pink. It's a little bit more of a lighter pink, less neon in my opinion, or maybe a little bit of like a pastel neon, if you can call it like that. Again, a beautiful Barbie pinkish color. It is gorgeous. I think it will be gorgeous in a set combined with the techno pink, like the previous pink color we just used. I think that would be just really cute and stunning to do a full-on Barbie manicure or something with those. But yeah, this first coat is already quite opaque, as you can see here. Just cure that for 60 minutes in LED and you're good to go in with your second coat, or maybe even your top coat already, because it is so nicely opaque. As you can see here as well, I'm just adding that second thin layer, and I'm really just adding thin layers. It might look like I'm adding a little bit more than like usual for these swatches, but the substancy is a little bit more thick than what I'm used to, so just make sure that you use thin layers because the substancy is already a little bit thicker. But yeah, it just cures perfectly. They are quite self-leveling as well, and this punch pink was just gorgeous. But let's continue with the fifth and final color in this collection, which kind of stole my heart, to be honest, even though it is a green tone. But this neon like highlighter green color is 293 and it is called Dancing Green. I was so blown away by this color. First up, the color is just amazing. It's bright, it's in your face. It reminds me of Billie Eilish, like her hair and stuff like that. I really love her music, by the way. She's like pretty cool. But this color, it's like super opaque, super bright. Like that first coat is already like 95% opaque and just perfect. I'm obsessed. I'm kind of like raving about this color, and I can't wait to actually wear it on my own nails. I had just done my nails when I recorded this video, and like all of the designs I'm wearing on both of my hands will be like uploaded in a tutorial video as well. So keep an eye out for those if you're curious about that. But I really can't wait to do this green on my nails in some kind of like fun festive set. But yeah, that were already the 5 colors from the festival summer collection by Pink Gellac. You can get them online. They ship out pretty fast as well. And yeah, I'm pretty obsessed. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you like this extra little video of mine. I know that a lot of you love to see me upload on Saturdays as well for like an extra little video. But let me know what color is your favorite, and if you would like to try out this collection for yourself. Stay safe and healthy, and as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye guys!